A reglet is a building component used to prevent rain and other forms of moisture from entering into a building. Reglets are typically found at intersections between vertical and horizontal building surfaces, but can be used at any transition from one material to another. For example, a reglet is often used on a roof at the joint between the parapet wall and the flat surface of the roof. Builders may also install these devices between a balcony and the wall or at the transition area between masonry and siding midway along a wall surface. The primary function of the reglet is to keep moisture out of the wall by sealing or covering gaps between two materials. By minimizing the risk of moisture infiltration, reglets prevent mildew and rot within the wall cavity. They can also help to extend the life of insulation, drywall and other building materials by keeping them dry and protected. Different types of reglets are chosen based on the type of wall they will be installed in. A concrete reglet consists of a metal channel that is embedded into the concrete, as well as a separate section of flashing. One end of the flashing snaps into the channel to form a secure connection, while the other end extends down over the wall's moisture barrier. As rain hits the wall, it flows over the flashing and continues down the wall to the ground. The flashing can also be disconnected during future roof repairs, then reinstalled by snapping it back into place. In a masonry wall, a reglet typically includes only a single piece of metal flashing. The metal is bent to form an L shape, so that when one end of the reglet is installed between the courses of brick or block, the other end will extend down the face of the wall. Reglets used in drywall or stucco walls have a similar shape. One end forms a shelf that supports the base of the drywall or plaster, while the other end extends down the wall several inches to keep moisture out. Depending on the design of the building, installers may use surface reglets, which are fastened to the face of the wall with nails or screws. A small amount of core construction adhesive is added at the top and bottom of the reglet to prevent moisture infiltration. This type of application is common with precast concrete, which doesn't allow a standard concrete reglet to be embedded in the wall.